Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay any colored overlay onto your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to I'm going to go to library and I'm going to select a video, and for instance I want to overlay this one with a green screen. Select your video, go to cutout, select chroma key, select color picker, select the green, and adjust the strength to 100. You can even adjust the shadow. It's pretty much the same as well for blue screens. You're going to basically select the blue part of the screen. So here, let me show you. Let's see. Where is it? I'm trying to find it. Actually, no. Anyways, it is the same for green and blue screens. But for like black screens, it is a little bit different. Like this one, it's better if you just go back to basic, go to blend mode, and choose the brighten or screen one for the black overlay. You can also like adjust the brightness of your video so you can see the overlay just a little bit better. I recommend you to do that. But for a white like overlay, let me just find one. Okay, let's just use this one as an example. You're going to go to the blend mode again, but you're going to select darken instead, and there you go. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!